Okay, so this one is asking us to find how much greater the length of the arc that's traced by the top end of the wiper blade than the length of the arc traced by the bottom end. So the first thing I would start with is your formula, of course. S equals radius times theta in radians, of course. And we know, let's find this one right here, okay? And the angle is 135 degrees, right? So we're gonna need to get this into radians, so 135 degrees times just pi radians over 180 degrees. Okay, so our degrees cancel, you have 135 pi over 180, and that reduces to 3 pi over 4 radians, so that's going to be our theta value here, 3 pi over 4, and then the radius for this first one is going to be 9, so we have 27 pi over 4 for the smaller one. Okay, now we have to do this again for the larger one. And this radius, be sure that you pay attention here because this radius is actually going to be 23 because it's 9 plus 14. So we have 23 times the radians for each swipe of the wiper blade. And so now we have 23 times 3, which is going to give us 69 pi over 4. And so our two pieces of information are 69 pi over 4 and 27 pi over 4. We've been asked to find how much greater the length of the arc traced by the top end of the wiper blade. So we're going to have to take 69 pi over 4 minus 27 pi over 4. Pretty convenient that we have a common denominator and we have like terms. So we just need to take 69 minus 27, which will give us 42 pi over 4. Now we can simplify. Or you can just do the math and enter it into your calculator, either way. But when you multiply 42 times pi and divide it by 4, I'm going to let you figure that out. Don't forget that it's to the nearest inch.